One of the most important things today is protecting the environment. SEM provides classified waste destruction systems that are actually green. We take the classified waste, we briquette it. That briquette can be recycled into paper or other products. We can keep all of that system inside the building or inside the skiff, and then the waste obviously will no longer go to the landfill. You eliminate the hauling costs, and also you're recycling it. It's a green product at this point. The quality that SEM produces is bar none the best in the industry. There's really few players in the industry that can provide what we do. Not only do we provide it nationally, we provide it globally. And we're going to make sure we deliver exactly what the customer needs and wants.